Have you ever booked a first class flight and under meal service you saw refreshments and wonder what it was? Well, you're not alone, because I wondered the same thing and I couldn't find anything on YouTube, Google, or Flyer Talk. So I decided to make a video. Since there's nothing on the topic, shoot, might as well be the first, right? The flight left at 12:59 in the morning, so I can't imagine there's going to be many options. Let's go check it out. I was actually happy to see that it was a newer 737 with the Boeing Sky Interior. These seats are actually pretty comfortable and have a decent pitch. On this flight, I was sitting at seat 5A. Now let's take a look around and see what it looks like. Each of the seats also has screen back monitors. I'm a big fan of these, as I don't like to bring my own content on board, and sometimes the flights, let's get real, get boring. The legroom is standard for a domestic first class product on a narrow body plane. Looking for the universal outlet to charge your computer or phone? It's kind of in a weird spot. It's in the middle shared armrest about by your ankles. So it's kind of an uncomfortable position. There's a couple of computer connections and a USB port there as well. The remote's in the left-hand armrest. I like using these once in a while because sometimes when you're switching through movies on the touchscreens, it doesn't really act very responsively and sometimes it'll get a little stuttery. So I use this instead. As I mentioned earlier, this plane was equipped with the Boeing Sky Interior. Not only do you get larger overhead bins, you get this cool little mood lighting. And this flight was at 1 o'clock, like I said earlier, and I was damn tired. So this kind of set the mood for me to take a long nap. In between both seats is the bigger armrest, and that's where the tray tables are at. I didn't open it up because it was a late flight. I just kind of wanted to take a nap already. But if you look in the front, in between both seats in the forward section, there's like a little table that pops out. I don't know what you put there, maybe a cocktail or a cookie or something. But if the flight gets bumpy, that's gone, man, and you're getting wet, so I don't really trust that. We weren't offered any pre-departure beverage, but the flight attendants did come around shortly before takeoff and handed out these 1-liter bottles of water. So I'm not sure if they just messed up the service or if this is the service, but wasn't really explained clearly. As soon as we were in the air, I passed out. I didn't wake up until about 20 minutes till Chicago. So I missed out on all the service. So these next couple of clips are some stock footage that I had. I did ask one of the flight attendants though what the service included, and she said it was a drink service with warm nuts, and then a little later in the flight that they brought warm cookies out if you wanted any. So it doesn't look like I missed too much, even though I do like those damn cookies. So even though I slept completely through the meal service, that's what I guess you're expecting on an American Airlines first class flight that has refreshments as the meal service. I think American can do a lot better on this, and I think at a bare minimum they should offer at least a cheese plate. But hey, it is what it is. You're not buying this flight because of the meals. You're buying it because of the bigger seat and the better legroom. So I fly it again just because it's its best option. But once again, hey, if you like what you saw, thumbs up. If you have anything, correct me if I'm wrong or a different experience, leave a comment below. And if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, please subscribe. Till next time, y'all.